welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So in today's video I got my hands on this beauty. It is the Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Right, okay, so what they did was, this is the first time they've ever done it, they released a large and a small mystery bundle. You had 48 hours to get your hands on it. If you didn't get it in that time, you didn't get it. So I went ahead and purchased the large bundle, which gave you 7 items. Let me just double check. That was £56. I will leave it up here somewhere where you can see what it equates to in US dollars. They had the small bundle, which was £33, but instead of going for that, they had a limited edition set that I have had my eye on for a while, and I just thought, do you know what, I'm going to go for that. I love the look of it, so I'm also going to show you what that is as well. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what I got. I'm so excited. I haven't peeked or anything. This came yesterday. I'll tell you what, I need a pat on the back because I refrained from opening it because I wanted to open it with you guys. I wanted you to see it at the same time that I saw it. So let me show you what I'm seeing. I'm actually so excited. Right, okay, so here is the tote bag. I'm just going to pop this box to one side. Right, what I'm going to do is just pick something at random. Can I do that? Oh, I can't even do that because it's all bubbled. It's all bubbled. Not all of it. No, there's something else in here. Okay, let's do this one first then. Oh, okay. So I have got the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession. Oh, it's their little mini palette. I love green eyeshadow. I know probably a lot of people out there don't, but I do. If you haven't seen it, I have actually already done a full-on green neon eye look. I'll leave that up there and in the description box below if you want to check that out, but it's like super Hulk. So I do like greens, so that is pretty good. So let's just open this. Oh, she's pretty. Let me show you, look. She is pretty. Yes, I like that. Let me do some swatches for you because this colour here, I don't know if it tells you what colours they are. It doesn't, but this like glittery colour here, oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm really liking it, and it feels really creamy as well. Just show you there on my hand. I don't know if you're going to pick it up because of the lights, but it is so pretty and really soft. Oh, I like that. I've got to look at this one as well. Okay, I've got to look at, I'm going to have to look at the middle one as well because that is, wow. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. I love a shimmer. Do you know what? I'm really, really happy with that. So that is item number 1. Okay, now this is all bubbled. So let's see. Oh, okay. This is a Matte Perfection pre-makeup base. Oh, I'm quite happy with that. So let's open this up. This is what it's looking like. It's quite big. Like, look at the little, oh, are you even going to see that? Look. Do you know what? I'm such a geek. I get so impressed with packaging and things like this. But yeah, I really like that. Any smell to it? Smells nice. Soft, very soft. Yep, blends in easily. That's gone sunk right into the skin. Yeah, I think that's going to be really nice on the face. Super happy with that. Next. Yes. Wanted some lip products, so yes, really happy with this. Okay, so it is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Catwalk Killer. So I'll show you that there in the packaging. Ooh, okay, so I'm just going to pop it on my hand here. Oh, look. So that is the shade. I would definitely wear that, so I'm very, very happy with it. It smells nice as well. What's that smell? It smells kind of coconutty. That is, it's dark, it is quite dark, but I would definitely wear that for a night out. So I am quite impressed with this bundle. Bear in mind, it cost me £56, but there's something like £150 worth in the kit. Actually, let me see if I can double check that. How much is supposed to be in it? Yeah, so it's £56, but there's £155 worth of value inside. So that is amazing savings. So you're literally saving like £100. That's amazing. I'm so glad I bought this set. Okay, what's next? Ooh, oh, I like that shade. Okay, we have got another lip product. It is again the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. But guys, oh, look at this shade. Oh, I love it. It's called Passionista. Passionista. Oh, that is stunning. And again, I love the packaging. I'm just a sucker for packaging. I really am. God, look. Oh. Put this one next to the other one. Oh my God, I love it. Look. So it's this one here. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, beautiful shade. Definitely wearing this. Do you know what? I'm actually really tempted to put it on now. Let me look and see what else I've got inside, but I'm really tempted to put this on. I've got another little mini palette, but this one is the Topaz Obsession. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, now these are colours that I wouldn't normally wear, so I'm not going to swatch it because I actually think I might put this in a giveaway. It's stunning. It is stunning. There's some golds, some bronzes. You've got a good mixture of matte and shimmers. It's very pretty, but on a whole, it's not actually colours that I would wear. So I'm happy to put this in a giveaway and give it to somebody that would really truly appreciate it. Although I am very tempted to keep it for myself. No, I'll do it as a giveaway. I'll do it as a giveaway, but I am very tempted to keep it. It's beautiful. This is going to be the last product, and it's a big palette. Oh, it is the Desert Dusk palette. Ooh. So let's get this open. Look at the packaging. Oh, I tell you what, she is a girl after my own heart. Look at that. Now, if I was to have packaging, this is the sort of thing that I would pick. So beautiful. Even down to the little protector. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. These colours are amazing. Let me swatch a few of the colours for you. So I have got to try Twilight, which is that colour there. That is speaking to me. So let's give that a go. Stunning colour. I really hope you're going to be able to see that, but the lighting might be putting it off a bit. I'll just move my hand like this. Can you see how it's shimmering? Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Let's go for Angelic. Now this is a pink and it's got shifts of gold in it. So that's this shade here. Let's do another one. Let's do Blood Moon. Let's show you that. I'm running out of space to show you. Show you that there. Amazing! Wow, that is so pigmented. So pretty. Right, I am over the moon with this bundle. Honest to God, I didn't think I'd get so many beautiful products. You know, sometimes when companies do giveaways, they give you the stuff that other people are not really buying. That is not the case here. I'm so happy with this. I'm so glad I went ahead and bought it. So we have 6 makeup products and the 7th item is the tote bag. Okay, so like I said in the beginning, I also went ahead and treated myself to one of their limited edition bundles. I'm so excited to get this out. Right, let's have a look. Oh look, it actually comes in its own little protective bag as well. I love it. Right, this is what I treated myself to. Oh, how gorgeous is this little backpack? Look. It's a jelly backpack and it is mint green. Oh, I love it. I had my eye on this. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I need this in my life. So you purchase the backpack and then you get to pick what palette you wanted inside. And the choices were the mint, the rose or the lilac. I went for the pastel rose. Look at them colours. So beautiful. I am a sucker for pastels. Really love pastel colours. It really reminds me of springtime. So I am going to get such a good look out of these. So let me swatch it. I'll try and do it on this hand. Okay, so I'll start with this middle shade here. Let's see what this comes out like. So yeah, that is a super pretty colour. It's obviously a shift between the purple and the gold. So pretty. That would look absolutely gorgeous, I think, on the inner corners of the eye and underneath on the lower lash line. I think that would be beautiful. I am so drawn to this shade here. So this is like a pink with gold glitter. That's that one there. I'm really hoping you can see these on the camera. They're just so pretty. Now, I'm going to test the yellow because they can be quite patchy. So let's give yellow a try. Very pigmented. Not a problem at all with that. I am in love with this palette. I knew I would like it though. As soon as I saw it, I knew I was going to love it. So we've got these 3 brushes as well, and they are double-ended. The blue one here, it is a smoke and smudge brush. So let me show you that. So we've got the smaller end there, and then we've got a larger brush that side. Then we have the purple, and that is a build and blend. So this side here is angled up. I don't know if you can see that, but it has an angle to it. And then it has the fluffy end that side. The last one, which is a pink, a shine and line. So it's a lip liner on that end. And then we have like a triangle sort of foam one on the other end. I don't know if I told you the price of this. Did I tell you the price? I'm getting so carried away. So in English pounds, it is £49. I will again put it somewhere along here to show you what that would equate to in US dollars. If you want to see a tutorial of any of these products, please let me know. Just leave it in the comments down below and I will jump on that. But I'm going to try the lipstick. So this is the shade Passion Easter. I'm useless today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Look. I've actually got it on my tongue. How did I even do that? I've got a big smudge over here too. Do you know what it feels? Is it supposed to feel warm? It feels warm. Maybe it's doing something. Maybe it's plumping my lips up. I love it. I feel like they've given me some really beautiful products, and I will definitely be using this. Guys, that is everything unboxed. I am over the moon with every single product that they gave me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. Helps my channel grow, helps me keep producing and making content for you guys if I know that you're enjoying it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Mwah!